So good morning students, I welcome you all for the Sheba Group of School online class. I am really very happy to be with you and you have done well in your test which has been the first midterm test. I am really very happy to do that correction and other things. So keep going on and you start your studies and you be prepared for your examination. Examination is a must and it will be held. So now we are in the fourth unit. Already I have completed the prose, poetry, and now we are in the supplementary, fourth unit supplementary, The Midnight Visitor, written by Robert Arthur. He lived till 1909 till 1969. So very good, he is an author and he is a mysterious type of writer. Yeah, it's like a James Bond story, or a Sherlock Holmes used to say. Detective stories. And we also had people like that writing detective stories for us. So here we are going to see the detective stories. Always they will be having the last at the end of the sequence. So here also we are going to see like that. So here Robert Arthur. So we are going to see about the author, and the Midnight Visitor's author is Robert Arthur. So Robert J. Arthur Jr. So you have to write Junior there. So his father was born on November 10, 1909 in Philippines. So he was a person from Philippines. Where his father, Robert Arthur Sr. His father Senior. So usually they used to call like that, not to leave their family name. So he called by, and he was a lieutenant in the United States Army, and he was stationed, he was been put in different places for work. So wherever this father has been working, these children also has to be taken. Arthur's childhood was spent moving as his father was transferred. So wherever his father was transferred, he has to move from the places. So he was a writer in, see you can go to page number 137. Book is very, very important. You have to go through the book because before you come into this online, first you have to read the lesson fully. So Robert J. Arthur was a writer of speculative fiction. Fiction is imaginary stories, and is specialized in crime fiction. So already I told you, so he is a detective writer and a mysterious fiction. He was known for his work, the Mysterious Traveler radio series, and so he was working in a radio where the series of the stories will be told. Nowadays we see everything serials in our TV, but in old days only radio was dominating now those days. So he was having the three investigators, a series of young adult novels. The author was honored twice by the Mysterious Writers of America with an Edgar Award for the best radio drama. He also wrote scripts for television. So he used to write scripts. So now let us go into the lesson on page number 135. See, you can see the lesson there given. So unit 4. So the supplementary, the midnight. So this happened the midnight. So we are going to see about the person. He is a visitor. So this story happened in the midnight. So here we are going to see the characters of the story. One is Osable. He is the secret agent. And the next person is the Furor, a writer. And Max is a person who comes there. So to steal the thing. So I will tell you the story. It will be very interesting. So listen to the story. Osable did not fit any description of a secret agent. So Osable, usually we see that the James Bond and other thing, they will be very attractive. Young person, and they will be given many types of agents. This will be working in the hotel which is stay, the car which is been riding. So everything will be different. The same. But here Osable did look entirely different. He did not look like a secret agent. So he was a very fat man, and so when Fowler, the writer, when he went to meet the Asabel to have a essay about a missile which is going to be launched. So it's a secret time, and that secret is being given to this Asabel to have it. So what happened? Max went there to know about the missile and to write something about the missile. So following him down the mystic corridor of a gloomy French hotel. So now they are in the hotel, a French hotel where Asabel had a room. So already he had a room there. So they were going towards the room. Fowler felt left down. It was a small room. So when they entered the room was not very big. It was a very small room, and the top floor. So the thing was the floor where he was living was on the top floor. He was on the top floor there on the 6th of the top floor. Was scarcely a setting of a romantic adventure. So when you go up, so you can see the adventure will be when you go for a thing, when you look down, so you will be thing. Asabel was one of that thing, fat, very fat. And then there was his accent. Though he spoke French and German possibly, he had never altogether lost the American accent. He can speak French and German, but in between the taste or the smell of the American verses will come, because the same way where we are living. So we used to, whatever we are educated or learned person, sometimes what happened? Our Madras language which will come inside. Was born in 20 years. So you are disappointed, Asabel said. So after looking at me, you are disappointed. So looking at me, you thought that I will be very young. So a little bit of old. Son, you were told that I was a secret agent, a spy, dealing in enormous of danger. So keeping the secrets of this. So you wish to meet me because you are a writer. So you have come here to meet me as a writer, young. So you look very young and romantic type of look. So we dressed very neatly. So you evidently mysterious figure in the night and cracked the crystal drugs and wine. Instead you have spent a dull evening in the French musical hall. So being young, what happened? You people will be engaged in certain other things, but now you are with me. So you have been bored. So being with me, a fat old man, what happened? You will be seeing a little bit bored to look at me. So unlocked. So what happened? So talking like that, they went to the floor there on the 6th floor, the top floor, and they are unlocked the door. To him stood. So when they are going inside to sit allusion, Asabel told him, but take care, my young friend, presently you will see a paper. So what happened? When you go inside, I will show you the paper of the picture of the missile which has been there. So, and quite important paper for which several men and women have risked their lives. So they took their life for many scientists to find out this. So this whole picture is there in a paper. So I will show you. Some days soon the paper went effect of course of history. In those days the drama in the North. So Asabel closed the door behind him. So what happened? These two people are entering the hotel, and then he switched on the light. So what happened when they went inside the hotel room? What happened? It was little bit dark. So what happened? He switched on the light for their surprise. So when the light came out, Fowler had his first athletic thrill on that day. So he was thrilled. So an unexpected thing happened there in that hotel. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand. So there was a person who was standing with a pistol. See, you can see the picture here. It's an automatic pistol. So if you on it, it will automatically run. So, and you can shoot him. So Asabel blinked a few times. Max, so you know him. So what he says is, you know him, and he says that Max. So the person is Max. So you gave me quite a start. I thought you were in Berlin. So I thought you were in Berlin, not here. But you have come here. What are you doing here in my room? Max was slandered a little less than tall with features. So he was not a tall boy, he was a middle, and there was about him a sight for the gun. Nothing especially mean by the report. So I came here only to see the report of the missile which you have shown me. So if you show if you give the paper, the report, I will go. The report, he murmured, the report that is being brought to you tonight concerning about the new missiles. So now the new missiles, they are there, the paper. So I want it. So I thought I take it from you. I will be safer. It will be safer in my hands rather than in yours. So what I will take that. So I have come here to take the report photo, the papers of that missile. Constable moved for an armchair and sat down heavily. Oh, he went and sat down. So because they are waiting there, he said that I am waiting for the papers of this. Oh, I am going to raise the devil with the management in time, and you can bet at it. And he said grimly, this is the second time in the month that somebody has got into my room. So already a person has been come into my room. But this is the second time another person is been entering and well known. So, but what happened is the last time when he came, there was a balcony there in my floor. See, you can see the picture here. Follows, I went to a single window of the room. So, at the side of the room where they were staying, there was a window. So, it was an ordinary window against which the night was pressing. So, it looked very dark. Because it is a night time, the balcony, Max said. So it is a risky infection. So I tried very well. So I wanted to enter the room. What I did, I wanted to take the key and open it, and I used to give. If it is very easy. So he said that this balcony has another step there down. So what happened? People can easily. The last time when a person came, what happened? He entered this room only with the help of this balcony. So then Max says, oh, what I did is, I did not think about that. I have to search for that. So please sit down, he said. We have to wait half an hour. So the paper is not here. Only after half an hour the paper will come. So then you can get it. So 31 minutes. Asabal was moodily. The appointment was 12:30. So 12:30, the time is now midnight. So I knew how he was learned about the report Max. A little spy smiled, so the boy smiled, the report. So, and we wish we knew, so it's on the way and it will come. So while he was talking, what happened? The hotel door was being knocked. So follow and please sit down. Okay, and the report. So then what happened? The sudden knocking of the door. Asabal smiled. Oh, that will be the police. So already the Max is in a very scared manner. So what happened? As soon as he knocked the door, he said that it may be the police. I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting should have a little extra protection. So for that missile report protection, what happened? They sent the police. So now the police will come and inspect the room. Then only I told them to check on me and make sure for everything is right. So I already told the policeman to come inside the room and to check. Max bit his lips nervously. He was nervous because he will be caught. So what will you do? Now Max Asabala. So what are you going to do now? The police is going to come inside. So if I don't know the answer the door, they will enter in. So if I don't open it, they will break the door and come. The door has been unlocked. So I did not lock the door. So it is unlocked. So anytime the policeman can come and they will arrest you, and then they will not hesitate to shoot. So when they come inside, what happened? They know that you are an unknown person, they will shoot. Max's face was black with anger. So he came, he thought that easily he can steal. Max thought that easily he can steal the report and he can run away. But what happened? So he ran away and he wanted to escape this situation. He sang a leg. So what happened? Already the author told him that there was a balcony there where you can go and hide yourself. There's another floor down, you can go and hide. So what happened? He thought that. So what happened? He put one leg on the thing. See, you can see the picture on the sill. Send them away, he wants. So when the police come, you send them away. Afterwards, what happened? I will come again from the balcony. Send them away and I will be shoot and take my chance. The knocking of the door became louder and the voice was raised. Then keeping his body twist on his gun, and the fat man was discussed. The man in the window grabs the frame. So what happened? He opened the frame of the window with a free hand to support himself. So he put his hand on it. Then he swung his other leg and he started to jump. The door knocked turned because it is very dark outside. It happened in the midnight. So Max pushed himself the left hand. Then as he dropped, he screamed once. That was the last scream. So while he was, the unaccepted thing happened. There was no floor or anything at that. Straightly he has to fall down. So he dropped. Then as he dropped, he screamed. The door opened and the waiter came. So after that what happened? The door was open and a waiter came with a tray of two bottles, bottle of and two glasses. So he was not a policeman, he was only a waiter. Already when this Asabal came, he told the waiter to bring. Here is the drink you order when you return, he said, and set the tray on the table. So now this person, Fowler, got a little bit of afraid. So I thought that he will be staying there or hiding himself. So anytime he will come and he will shoot him. So uncorked the bottle and left the room. So white-faced Fowler stare after him, but he stammered, "The police." There was no police Asabal sign, only Henry, the name of the person whom I was expecting. But won't that man out of hand? So don't be scared yourself. The person he cannot. Fowler began. "No," said Asabal, "he won't return. Because, you see, my best young friend, there is no balcony at all. So, when you go and jump there, you have to go and land down." So, and they went and saw that Max was being lying down dead. See, the presence of mind is very important for a agent, the secret agent. So to get rid of this situation, what happens? He told a small story that there is a balcony where you can go and hide yourself. So he was doing that. At last what happened? So this story says that you should have the presence of mind. So dear students, you should have the presence of mind. So what happened? Usually the twist comes like this at the end of the story. So James Bond story also, if you see James Bond pictures, the whole thing will be going, the starting of the movie will be very, very, very boring. As it moves, the story will get a little bit, and where you will be waiting for the correct result. So the result is what happened? Now Max is dead. And the papers are very safe, and what the Fowler did is he wrote the report of the missile and he published it. So my dear students, take care of yourself. So this story is always says that you should have a presence of mind, whatever, then learn well, and then only you will be getting to the examination, and God bless you and take care of you. Thank you very much.